Hi, this is Rick with PublicStore@UnitAuctions.com, and this video is going to help you to understand how Auctionzip and Auctionbill works. And so let's go ahead and get started. Let's start out by looking at Auctionzip.com. You'll notice here at the top we've got Auctionzip.com, and it says search for auctions within 30 miles of the zip codes. You can change that if you'd like. 30 is pretty good. That's a little ways, and so I'm going to go ahead and put in a zip code here and conduct a search. Now once I do this, it brings up a convenient calendar for me, and I can go through and look and see what's coming up. And so we see that there's quite a bit happening here, and so let's see, today is the 12th, so there are 2 auctions today. So if I go in, I can click on any link and it'll actually bring up a list of any auctions that are happening. And so if you look at this, some of them are, most of them are not going to be storage unit auctions, but that's what I'm looking for. So I can kind of jump through the calendar and find some storage unit auctions here. I'm seeing a lot of art stuff in this example. But as we look through, we can see there's quite a bit going on. Here's a couple of auctions. Okay, Heber City. Let's see, real estate auction, foreclosure auction. So even some real estate things get in here. But this is a good thing to keep your eye on, because looking at this calendar in Auctionzip, we can find what's going on. But one thing that's even as important is now I know Williams & Williams is an auction company. Okay, and so if I go over here and click on their link, I can get another link to their website. So here's the auctioneer's website, and I can go there, and a lot of times they'll have more information for me to use. And so I can go in and let's see if they have any kind of information on here. Let's see now. Scroll down. Need to auction watch our bidder tutorial. Sign up for auction alerts right here. So I can put in my email address, and I'll just be dropped into their list, and they'll email me whenever they have things that are going on. So kind of interesting. We can do quite a bit here. And these guys look like they're a pretty big group, though. Worldwide real estate auction. So they may not do any storage unit auctions, but this is a way we can find out who's out there and who the auctioneers are and sign up for their lists. Now let's take a look at Auctionbill and see what they're about. Now I like Auctionzip a little bit better. They seem to have more information, but Auctionbill is still a good one to keep your eye on because it's really convenient and easy to look for upcoming sales. So what I can do is I can scroll down here just a little bit on their site, and it breaks down auction calendars by state. So I can go in here to Utah. Well, let's go to a different state. Let's go to Texas and see what happens. Okay, so we're looking at Texas. I can see here's March's calendar. So I've got a March farm equipment, Joy Turner and Neighbors, Dodge Cummins trailer, retailer. So I can go through and look for any upcoming auctions. And I'm not seeing a lot of storage unit auctions here, which is fine. That's actually not the worst thing, because when I get on their list, they'll be able to update me a little bit better. But you can see there's quite a bit going on here, and so these guys don't have a good representation of all the auction companies, but they do give us a good head start. So use these websites to good effect, and I think you'll be happy with them. And I hope you found this helpful.